Good morning, guys. This is Metalhead Rider. I just slept for around 7 to 8 hours straight. Today is Sunday, so a lot of thing has been planned. Let's see how it goes, and see you guys after I get fresh and get some coffee. Alright, guys. I just got fresh. It's time for a hot beverage like coffee. Then I'll make some coffee, and while having my coffee, I'll speak with you about the day and what is the plan for the day and what are the things I'm planning next. So, first, let's make our coffee.
A few moments later.
So, couple of days back, I was looking for a fast charger for my motorcycle so I can keep my devices ready on the go and use it whenever I want. Because nowadays, battery capacity of mobiles and everything is, the capacities are high, so it takes time for a normal charger to charge it up to the brim. So, in that situation, I just ordered this charger. It's from the company AccuCharger. It's for smartphones and small appliances. Main thing about this charger is that it has got a 15-watt fast charging output. So it will do. Not as good as fast as 30-watt charger, but 15-watt charger is better than a 5-watt charger, or I mean, obviously it is better than a 10-watt charger and 5-watt charger. But yeah, it supports 15-watt fast charging, which will probably charge my devices faster and keep it handy. And another thing that I missed previously was that I was not using a switch for the charger. It was directly connected to the ignition and the key of my motorcycle. Whenever I was turning on my key, it would subsequently turn on the charger, and it will remain on until and unless I just turn off my motorcycle. So, in as a safety measure, I'm going to install this flip, or what you call this toggle switch. Yeah, this little bastard. It's just on and off. It's just on and off. It will just disconnect the charger from the battery and the ignition. I don't want my charger to remain on when I am not using any my phone to charge it. So it will just cut the supply of the current to the charger, and it will remain disconnected. And next thing is that the contents of the box. So I will show you the contents of the box. What is inside this box. It's just a charger, so you don't expect much from the box. So let's see what's inside. So first thing first, you get this charger. See, this is like this. So it has got only one output, and I don't think there is any LED or something, but the cable is quite long, but I'm pretty sure it won't reach your battery from the handlebar onwards. So you will need some extra connecting wire to connect it. Oh my god, this sun is burning in my face. Let's just change the camera angle. It's better now because I have changed the angle and the sun is not burning in my face anymore. So continuing with the topic, so this is a charger which is made in India. I'm not using any Chinese thing because due to some reasons trying to boycott Chinese product in my life. So yeah, this is the Indian charger. So as I'm saying, the wire is kind of long, but it won't reach your battery, so you would need extending cables or extending wires. Then you get a clamp like this. I mean, I don't know how it is going to fix, I mean how it is going to be useful, but yeah, you get a clamp. You see, a clamp. And next is this, which is I guess for waterproofing. I mean, you can see this is the cover for the outlet. It goes like this, something like this. It will cover the outlet from water damage. But again, you see, there is a gap between the two part of the chargers, so this won't be much helpful. So yeah, this is the box content. There is nothing more in the box. And about the toggle switch, yeah, I just bought it afterwards from a shop, electrical shop. It took me around 40 rupees, this toggle switch. So let's get started. Would be asking that why are you using this kind of cheap chargers that are fast chargers rather than Bolt and any other branded chargers. Because you see, when you are putting out a charger in your motorcycle and it is experiencing all the climatic conditions like rain, dust, anything cold, so it will go wrong. I mean, it will just get damaged. And those branded chargers are very bulky, and this thing is this much big. You can put it anywhere, and after 6 months, if you get your charger damaged, the one using the branded Bolt and other chargers will be facing a loss of around 2000 rupees, and I'll be facing a loss of around 350 rupees for the same usage, and for us for using it for same amount of time. Yeah, it won't last. I mean, any kind of charger, you call it Bolt or anything, it doesn't last for more than a year. So a loss of 350 rupees is much better than a loss of 2000 rupees. That's my logic. And yeah, I have used both of them. It doesn't work, and it is not worth of buying all those things.